Hi guys, welcome. We are on VirtualBox. We are on ArcoLinux, and the ISO I've installed with is the ArcoLinux XL for extra large, extra software. Basically, it's our flagship where we develop our project. Topic of the video is this little guy. It's Pamac, and there are two Pamacs, Pamac-all and Pamac-all. And we've at some point in time decided to go for Pamac-all. Now, if this is shown on your system, great. If you have issues with Pamac, what do? You go to sudo pacman -s terminal and then ArcoLinux system and then config kit. That's the one. If you are on ArcoLinux D, it's just one difference, and that's the ArcoLinux D system config kit. That's all. Make sure you have this version, the version 21.05.01. This will fix ArcoLinux codes and all that. So there is a fix in there somewhere for Pamac. Yes, that's one. Two, you need to be sure you have the last version from our repo. To do that, you type sudo pacman -s Pamac-all. Okay. So the version, the number is always the same. It has never changed, but the package itself has changed. So yes, you say, you'll get probably an error saying the keys are not okay. Just go and use your arrow key up again and install it again, and that this time, next time around, it will work just fine. That's Pamac and keys, or Pacman and keys, sorry, Pacman and keys. So you got your Pamac-all, the last one from the third party. You've got your fix from ArcoLinux, and then the stream of data that needs to be fixed. Install that one as well. Sudo pacman -s. It's an ArcoLinux stream. I think it's app-data. Voila, appstream-data. ArcoLinux appstream-data. These files, folders, but also I think GZs, or it's called, will be fixed. And this is our thing. When you install this package from ArcoLinux, we're fixing these streams, and hopefully then for you everything just works, because if you then click on your icon, which is actually might not be there because you're experimenting and doing and uninstalling, etc, etc, super shift D, the D menu is there. Pamac tray, that's the name it's called, and all the rest are other applications, right? Pamac tray is the guy you need to have this little thing here, a little icon. Then, well, that's my thing, my workflow. Then I open it via this little star at the bottom. So everything should be looking now like this, the newest version, a new release. I might include also some frustrations I've had, so learning curve, right? So we have this button up here to hide categories, groups, repositories. It's interesting to see what's where. Okay, so leave it on. Then the install things, that's installed, explicitly installed, orphans, foreigns, snap, flatpak. Right, so you see I've already enabled these snap and flatpak thing. Then we have this up here, and this was the problem. Well, it took me a few seconds, but you might overlook it, and then you say, my God, it's just not there. If it's set to software mode, and you're going to browse, for example, for an application I needed for Pamac, libhandy, it says, package not found. No response, nothing happens. When I say forget about the software mode, so the packages software remote meaning application you can install in your system, then suddenly everything is there. So that's an important bit. That's a thing I had to figure out to say, hey, why is this not showing me all the packages I need? Okay, and then the rest is refresh databases, view history, install local packages, which I do with sudo pacman -u install, remember. And then the preferences, that's of course an important bit. Here you should be able to see AOR, enable AOR support. And I've seen other screens already. Here, my home, without AOR. I say, hey, what's going on, right? Flatpak or snap activated, yes, no, it's entirely up to you. AOR, snap, flatpak. So the third party thing, well, it was strange this morning. So hence the fix and hence the tutorial. I hope that fixes things and makes things clear for you. So whether you enable this or not, it's entirely up to you. By default, it's not. And you should be able to find your elements, be it via F12 and then say EA and then some application, right? Then you get a list. Paru is there as well. Paru icons, and which results in the same thing, but without different colors. So that's it for me. There is always a way to find things, but don't forget, this is just what it is, a graphical user interface. So it's always possible to install things from your terminal. That's where the power is. All right, cheers.